Hi, welcome back to Hostbox CH channel and back to artificial intelligence tutorial. Let's go for session today. Today we are going to see the syllabus discussion analysis of for NT-UGC NET syllabus. So in the previous two sessions I explained about the basics of AI, what is AI, what are the use of AI today, and with real-time exam followed by why we need AI, and the beginning of the AI followed by Alan Turing test, and also what contributes to AI and what are the subsets of AI and so on. And lecture number 2 I explained about the topic called introduction to problem solving followed by state space search. So before continuing the session like algorithms and so on, we go and discuss the AI syllabus discussion analysis for NTA UGC NET. So this is a syllabus based on the year of 2019. So it's definitely helpful in the upcoming years also. So this exclusive tutorial definitely helpful to understand the AI with a different better way as well as possible theoretically as well as with some real-time examples. Not all, because if you go deeply AI we need machine learning and also need some software and so on. As much as possible I try to support you. Let's cover the syllabus today. The general syllabus and also based on the question paper analysis I am highlighting with a different color. Okay, there are subjects and topics will be like this only: approaches to AI, knowledge representation, planning, natural language processing, multi-agent systems, fuzzy sets, ANN and generic algorithms. Here I am highlighting with a different color, that means you can approach and expect more number of questions. This very important. So first 6 I'm giving the different color, and that is called we can say 3 stars. Compulsory will get a question for the UGC NET exams, and also very basic question. Then this 5 and 7 different color where is having 2 star, that means you get some questions, and 2 3 4 you will get questions, not more than the first and sixth option. So first one, approach to AI. Here if you go for approach to AI we can go discuss later heuristic search techniques, where it is concept and followed by game playing, where concept A star, AO star and also DFS, BFS and so on. So these are the wonderful algorithms, easy to understand and follow the graphic graphs also. So if you know DS and if you belongs to computer science engineering stream, definitely know you may studied about even easy or other streams of engineering also. You studied about data structures, overstudied data structure for them, very easy to understand this concept. You can easily catch it and follow me and follow the playlist. I'm doing the based on the order. When no time try to solve some of the questions with the solutions also. So A star, AO star, DFS, BFS, all is easy and simple. From there you will get lot of questions. Definitely you can get a success when you follow this tutorial like that. Then fuzzy sets, here it have a subtopic called crisps, fuzzy set, alpha cuts, operation like union, intersections and so on. So you know if you go A, what the solution, sorry, what the solution means, what kind of solution you are getting or what kind of things you are learning is machine can think like a human. For getting solution answer is this, answer is the artificial intelligence subject today. So you know today machine learning everything can see in the day-to-day life. We can't run without computer, we can't run the world without computers and technology today. So here, so fuzzy sets is there where you have crisps, fuzzy sets, alpha cuts, operation. These are very easy and simple. So logical reasoning, if you go deeply you can go and use a logical reasoning. Then come to the multi-agent systems. Here we can go and discuss later types of the agents. What are the types of agents, what are the properties of agent, and how they are suitable, and help for the real-time task, the real-time examples and real-time life, day-to-day life, how the technology mingled with us and so on. Then you come to the knowledge representation. Sorry, here you have one more is ANN and generic algorithm. So today wherever you go in the real-time life and computer science oriented job somewhere, you can see this area. This is called artificial neural networks and also generic algorithm. The artificial neural networks are called topics called a single multi-layer feed forward and also hope field network, and also like that will be there. And this generic algorithm where you have a recurrent and machine learning. The machine learning concept 3 types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning and also reinforcement learning and so on. So these are the very essential crucial topic of the computer science engineering today. Not only today, the upcoming years also. If you know machine learning, definitely you will get a job in good IT companies and a place with a good salaries also. salary packages. So machine learning is a wonderful one where we can learn and implement the machine learning with the help of Python, number one programming language also, and so on. So when I go for this one, we go and learn the basics of the approaches of the AI very clear with algorithms, and also later we come slowly about this ANN generic algorithm where it follows some of the mathematical functions and also very easy to understand. Then we come to the planning. Here planning, we have a concept called overview of the planning. What kind of planning will be there in the, we go for knowledge representation. Here, what are the approaches you can follow for improve the knowledge in the area of artificial intelligence. And also here we have subtopic called predicate logic followed by reasoning. Here predicate logic is the one you may study or you may going to study in the mathematics also. Not only predicate logic is that means decision making. So predicate logic is one of the biggest area. It's not only mathematics, it also available in the AI also. So we have to go through and check it with some algorithms and so on, some formula, whatever the upcoming sessions we go and check it. So knowledge represents also one of the one where if you go deeply where you have to learn about expert system also. These are also part of the knowledge representation and also required for the clear the exams of UGC NET and so on. Then planning. Here planning we can go and check later, discuss about the overview of the planning and goal stack, hierarchical will be there and hill climb is there. So many methods in the planning. Let's discuss the important one based on the analysis of the syllabus as well as the questions asked in the competitive, previously asked in the competitive exam like December 2018 and so on. Then natural language processing. Here it followed by the syntactic and semantic. So natural language processing, is the one where today in the mobile and computers where you go is a processing unit where it helpful to understand the language. So if you don't know the language, anything, no issue. With help of NLP, your mobile app will work and convert to the English and something. For example, you can check the Google Map or something, or you can say Google Voice recognition software should available. With the help of NLP working successfully the day-to-day life. So whether you talk in any language, Hindi or whatever there, it convert to some other language and helpful and guide and give the solution for you. So these approaches to AI also lot of algorithm. What is the use of this algorithm is because this algorithm give the perfect result for the given problem. So moreover we have to concentrate about the problem solving in AI, where if you go problem solving AI later you can touch slowly knowledge representation, planning, NLP, multi-agent system, fuzzy sets. So fuzzy sets is very important. So the cars will be the electrical cars and also what you can say is that robotic cars will be the robotic, and so many cars will be there where we can implement the fuzzy sets and fuzzy logic. Not only that one, automatic AC machines will be there where also can apply these fuzzy sets and fuzzy logic concepts and so on. So let's remember approach is a very important topic and fuzzy sets is very important. After we have to give preference to multi-agent and ANN and generic algorithms. At last knowledge representation, planning and natural language processing. So these are syllabus mainly you have to focus for the competitive exams, and don't hesitate and don't worry, because when you go for these are new subjects to the UGC NET, so you will get basic questions. When you go ANN generic algorithm, they ask what is what. The big data, like they won't never ask case study or deep questions for you. They ask what is what. For example, say what is supervised learning or what is unsupervised learning, like that, or give me example or differentiate between. So sometimes they ask very basic questions, don't scare. So please remember this syllabus discussion based on only the tutorials I'll follow and explain the video classes, and please support. Thank you for watching this video patiently, and any doubt, any queries you can communicate with me social media or comment in the post box section. Thank you.